In this video, I'm going to show you how to find working Aliexpress promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up web browser and then right here at the google.com enter Aliexpress promo code and then hit on search to search for specific websites where you can find free promo codes. I can open up any of that websites and there I can find a lot of different coupon codes. I can go through all of them and I can pick one that I like more. For example, that one gives me $15 off with that promo code. I can hit there at more details to get some additional information, and also I can hit right here at show coupon to see that coupon code. I can also hit there to copy it to my clipboard, and now I can go ahead and open up Aliexpress website where I can buy some stuff, and then all I have to do is just don't forget to use that promo code. So don't forget to enter it in promo code field and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and try to use another one from that list. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.